Hi, in this video we are going to do filter command. Say the data that is given to us is customer, city and units, and there are two tabs that are created, Delhi and Mumbai. Someone wants us to filter only this data. So for Mumbai only customer and unit should be filtered when here Mumbai is written, and for Delhi only customer and unit should be filtered when Delhi is written here. So what command do we need to use? We can use filter command. For filter command, the syntax is right equal to filter, the range that we want to get filtered, and then condition 1, condition 2, condition 3 and so on, like this. Okay, so if I want for Delhi for customer, what I'll write is equal to filter range that I want to get filtered. So here I want customer. Okay, so I'll write customer and select the complete column, comma, condition is that it should be Delhi, the city name should be Delhi. So the condition is, just a minute, so the condition here is that this is equal to Delhi. Now it will show an error. Why is it showing an error? Because here I have taken A2 to A. Can you see the size is mismatched? A2 to A. So here we have 999, triple nine number of rows, and here I have taken B to B. Alright, so in the first data that needs to be filtered, this is the range, and in the second one, this is the range. Okay, so that has to be consistent. So here I'll select either B2 to B or here A2 to A. So A to A. I'm just selecting A to A. So I got A and X because for Delhi, these are the two names that we have. Now similarly I want it for unit. So what I'll do is write equal to filter, select the range. This is what I want to filter out from this range when it is equal to in double quotes Delhi. So if it is a text you need to write in double quotes. If it is a value then you don't need to write in double quote. So if here it would have been 30, then I would have written data B to B equal to 30, not in double quote. Okay, so this is what I have got for Delhi, and now doing it again for Mumbai. Write equal to filter, selecting the range, customer, comma, this is from Mumbai, and here say I have one more condition that this value should be 34. Okay, so apart from belonging to Mumbai, the unit should be 34. Okay, so the second condition is on this column, so I'll select this column is equal to 34. So this is the value that I have got E. Now if I, so here I did it in two steps. So this is for customer and this is for units. I'll do it for units again. If I want to do it in one step, because say customer and units, I don't want to use two formula as I did here and then here. I want to use just one formula. How can I do it? First bring all the columns together, which means here I can just write equal to query. I'll need to rearrange these columns. Select the whole range, comma, select which column? A, comma, then C, and then column B. So once these get rearranged, what I can do is now here I can write filter this and this, right? Together I have selected two columns when this one is equal to say Delhi. It is showing error. Why? Because here data is there and it is not able to expand. So it shows reference error when it is not able to extend itself. Alright. So if I remove this, this is how the data is shown. So that was all about filter formula. Thank you.